everyone, welcome back to Swapna's Math Book. Hope you all are fine. Today we can continue Chapter 5, Data Handling, Part 3. Previous class we discussed about frequency distribution table and group frequency distribution. Today's topic is histogram. Histogram is a type of bar diagram where the class intervals are shown on horizontal axis and heights of bars show frequency of class intervals. There is no gap between class intervals. For example, this is the marks obtained 45 students in a class. Class interval, marks, frequency, number of students. 0 to 10. 4 students scored, 10 to 20, 8, 20 to 30, 10, 30 to 40, 15, 40 to 50, 70, 7, 50 to 60, 1. Total 45 students. In this first class interval, 0 is the lower limit, 10 is the upper limit. So 10 is included in the second class interval only. We discussed already. Now we can see histogram. Mark of student, horizontal axis, mark of students. Vertically, number of students. Horizontal, 1 unit represent 10 mark, and vertically 1 unit represent 2 students. So bars is showing, see, 0 to 10, 4. 4 scored, marks between 0 to 10, and 8 scored, marks between 10 to 20, and 10 scored, marks between 20 to 30, and 15 scored, 30 to 40, and 7 scored, 40 to 50, 1 only scored, 50 to 60. Hope you all understood. This is another histogram. Age of 25 teachers of a school. So here horizontal axis age in years and vertically number of teachers. See, this is the jagged line or broken line. So it is showing this jagged line or broken line has been used along the horizontal line to indicate that we are not showing the numbers between 0 to 20. We are not showing the numbers, the ages between 0 to 20. We are not showing. Now, so here ages between 20 to 25, 2 teachers are working. Then 25 to 30, 3 are working. 30 to 35, 4 are working. 35 to 40, 6 are working. 40 to 45, 3 are working. 45 to 50, only 1 is working. Now we can answer some questions. How many teachers are of age 40 years or more but less than 45 years? So 40 years or more means you have to take this class interval only, 40 to 45. So 40 more than 40 and less than 45. So 40 to 45, how many? Histogram is showing 3. So answer is 3. Then second question. How many teachers are of age less than 35 years? Less than 35 means we should take till 35. 20 to 35. That is 20 to 25, 2 teachers are working. 25 to 33 and 30 to 35, 4. So you have to add these 3. 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 9 teachers are of age less than 35 years. Hope you all understood. Now we can see exercise 5.1. One question. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836, 869, 845, etc. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with class intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and so on. So class limit is 10 only, 800 to 810. 810 minus 800, that is 10. Then here biggest number is 890. So you have to take class interval as till 900. See this class interval 800 to 810, 810 to 820 and so on till 890 to 900. Then tally marks 3. First one, first class interval 3, that is 3 are getting rupees 800 to 810. 2 are getting 810 to 820. 1 only getting 820 to 830. 9 are getting 830 to 840. 5 are getting 840 to 850. Only 1 is getting 850 to 860. 3 are getting 860 to 870. Only 1 is getting 870 to 880. 1 is getting 880 to 890. 4 are getting 890 to 900. Now we can see the histogram using the frequency distribution table. This is the frequency, this is the class interval using that frequency distribution table. See weekly wages in rupees. Here x-axis, y-axis number of workers. So here 3, 800 to 810, 3, 810 to 22, 820 to 31, 830 to 49, 840 to 55, 850 to 61, 860 to 73, 870 to 881, 880 to 891, 890 to 904. Now we can answer some questions. Which group has the maximum number of workers? We can easily find from the histogram. See this 830 to 849 workers. Second question. How many workers can earn rupees 850 and more? So you have to start from 850 and more. So 850 to 900 you have to check. 850 only 1 are getting, 860 to 73 are getting, 870 to 881 are getting, 880 to 90 only 1, 890 to 904 are getting. So you have to add these 5 numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So total 10 can earn rupees 850 and more. Third question. How many workers earn less than rupees 850? Less than rupees 850 means 800 to 850 you have to check. That means 800 to 810, 3. Then 810 to 20, 2. 820 to 830, 1. 830 to 849, then 840 to 855. Then you have to add these 5, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. That is 20 can earn less than rupees 850. Hope you all understood. Practice well. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.